Greetings, Dr. Dominique Reese here with Tip Tuesday, and my tip is to check your Chex report. So I meet with clients who sometimes complain that they can't get a bank account. They are in the Chex system, right? So you may have heard of that, or you yourself might be in the Chex system. Well, Chex is a database that banks subscribe to, basically like members. They become members of this system and they report our banking activity. So very similar to how credit works, companies become members or subscribe or pay the credit bureaus to report our information. The banks do the exact same thing, and they contribute to the Chex system and report our banking activity. So that's how you get on the Chex system, right? Because your banking activity may not have been as stellar. So when that information is reported, and let's say you go and try to open a bank account, they are going to check your name within the Chex system database. That is a report that they're going to pull up. Now, most times they don't share with you what's on this report. However, you can pull your Chex report. It's absolutely free. Go to chexsystem.com. You'll see on the site where you can request your consumer disclosure statement, as they call it. And you can also request your Chex score. These are two separate requests. The report usually takes 5 business days. The score similarly. But there are 2 separate requests that you'd have to put in. However, the awesome thing is you can finally see what's being reported that the banks are seeing. So now you know what's on your Chex report, and you may think that you cannot get a bank account. I've had several clients think that because I partner with a program called Invest. Invest is a county program, and they support probationers. So sometimes probationers think, I can't get a bank account. But I had one client who went, checked this, and did what I'm suggesting. He requested his Chex report, saw that there was nothing on there that was incriminating or that would hurt him getting an account, even though he thought it would be. And he was able to go open several accounts. So I encourage you to check your Chex report, especially if you've never done it before. Make sure, just like you would on your credit report, that everything is accurate, that it reflects your banking behavior and your banking activity. And if it doesn't, you can dispute it. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions about your Chex report, feel free to email me or leave a comment, and I'll be happy to get back to you. Until we meet again, Dr. Dominique. Peace.